Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to take a look at a charming 1 up to 3-story building nestled along the coast. Natural challenges, but also incredible opportunities to create homes and structures that seamlessly blend with the surrounding natural beauty. One of the most common building styles in these areas is the single-story design. Single-story buildings offer several advantages in coastal regions. Their lower profile makes them less susceptible to high winds, and the open floor plans and large windows allow for optimal airflow and stunning views of the ocean. Builders often utilize durable, weather-resistant materials like concrete, stucco, and weather-treated wood to withstand the harsh coastal environment. Features like wide overhanging roofs and elevated foundations further protect these structures from the elements, whether it's pounding surf, driving rain, or salt-laden sea breezes. As coastal communities grow, the demand for more living and commercial space has led to the rise of 2-story buildings. These taller structures still maintain a relatively low profile, but the second floor provides additional square footage while capitalizing on panoramic ocean vistas. Balconies, terraces, and expansive windows on the upper level enhance the connection between the indoors and the breathtaking outdoors. Careful attention is paid to the building materials, with reinforced concrete, impact-resistant glass, and corrosion-resistant metals playing a crucial role in the structural integrity of 2-story coastal homes and businesses. Strategically placed staircases and elevators ensure easy access between floors, while features like shutters, awnings, and shading devices help manage solar heat gain on the upper levels. While 3-story buildings are less common directly on the coastline, they do offer appealing options for inland locations or elevated sites near the shore. These taller structures require significant structural reinforcement, often with concrete or steel framing, to withstand the amplified wind and weather stresses. Elevators become an essential design element, facilitating easy vertical circulation for residents and visitors. Rooftop terraces, gardens, and other amenities help maximize the limited available space and capitalize on 360-degree views. In areas near Red Seas, the focus on corrosion-resistant materials is even more critical to protect the building's integrity from the highly saline environment. Coastal architecture must be thoughtfully conceived to harmonize with the surrounding natural environment, whether the structure is single-story, 2-story, or 3-story. Architects and builders work closely to ensure these buildings complement the landscape, respecting the delicate balance between human habitation and the powerful forces of the sea. Features like strategic window placement, roof overhangs, and landscaping can help mitigate the impact of coastal winds and weather, while also enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. Regardless of the number of stories, coastal communities are embracing sustainable design principles and cutting-edge construction techniques to create buildings that embody the essence of living in harmony with the ever-changing coastline. By prioritizing durability, energy efficiency, and seamless integration with the natural surroundings, these structures offer residents and visitors alike the opportunity to fully immerse themselves in the beauty and tranquility of the coastal lifestyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like it and leave a comment. If you are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button.